So hello everyone and welcome back for the landing into Johannesburg. Yeah, it says 330, but we are flying at this heading, so I really don't know why or what direction the ATIS want us to turn. But leave it that for now what it is. So let's put the departure in. So it is ILS Z3 left via the afval. Well, Charlie. And it is going. I will turn ATIS off. So let's see how the approach is. Yes, and I'm heading and then descent manually, or heading manually. Nice, relax. Let's request decrease maybe 10,000 first. To fly up to -0. So after 9 hours and 65 minutes of flying, we are descending. So let's talk about the arrival into Johannesburg. So we have the afval on Charlie arrival. Some speed restrictions, height restrictions, but nothing special. Yeah, the airport elevation 580 feet. So ILS localized is 110.3. Final approach heading is 034. Trans altitude is 8,000. Go around height is 7,000. I think I will put ATIS off in just a second, otherwise. And the decision height is 15658. We are landing at runway 3 left, and he was parked over here on the SAA cargo ramp. Let's see. Building. So that is then Delta 3. Yes. Yeah, so that was a gate or cargo ramp parking Delta 3. So I hope that I can vacate a hotel, because then it's only Golf 9 into Delta 3. So it's clear skies, temperature 16 degrees, the wind is 20 by 6, very high pressure, 1034. So nothing special with the weather at all. So we are in Papa Hotel Charlie Kilo Alpha Boeing 747-400 with the GF680C2B F1 engines, kilograms, because we are flying in Africa, but it is KLM, European airliner. So winds are 20 by 6, 60 degrees, crew is 1, 2, 3, 4, conditions dry weather source and OAA, and I put it manually, specifically for flight 24. Well, the weather is there. Landing weight is 271,494 close flaps for the signal and less off. Landing mode manually because this clear sky. Outbreaks 3, wind increase by wind 6, and then at Foxtrot Alpha, Oscar Romeo 3 left, and that gave us a VRF speed of 151 flaps 40. We can do outbreaks 1, 2, but I really want to go off of Golf 9, so I will do outbreaks 3. So there we go. So turn on left heading 145 and let's go descend all the way to flight level 230. 21 right, no. Select auto runway, no. Oh yeah, 3 left. ILS runway 3 left. Yes, 3 left. So you press scenario, yeah, 3 left. Side. So 145, this is high level 230. Let's brake. Then so flight level chains on, speed brakes out. Do then runway ILS 2 on the right. So terrain left, weather right. So then, because we are going to backtrack, handbrakes on, or single signs on, smoke signs on. So then we are going to backtrack. So let's see. Yeah, let's do outbreaks 3. Hold heading up for 5. Speed brakes a little bit in. Let's also slow down to 240 because we are at a high elevation airport. Check. So, decision height. That is let's see. 6091. 6091. 6091. 6091. Let's go there to 60. 91. 6. 5. 6091. There, so pressure was 1034, very high, 10. All the way up, 3410. 34, outbreaks 3, and then we are landing with flaps 30, and then now with the other runway in it. It is 151. 151. Oh yes, that is there. Flaps 30, 151. Check. So Golf 9, flight level 230, so that's hold heading 95. And let's go centimeter flight level 130. Flight level change back. A little bit spreads out. So thrust heading hold. Oh, let's go also change that, of course, in here. So then it is now. So ILS 2 on the right, and then we have the Delta arrival in there. Oh wait. So let's see then what the arrival is, or looks like in here. Yeah, because we are flying with ATIS, so I think we are going indeed to the runway here. There. Let's see, yeah, this will be it then for now. So 10. So 8,000 at right heading 185. And 8,000 is also trans altitude, so let's go first to 118 decimal 100. There, contact tower, and then it was 8,000. I think was also trans altitude here. Yes, indeed. So let's go then to the pressure 1034. 46. Is alive, so arm the localizer. So I think we are flying a little bit too high, because we are almost at 16,000 feet, and final 26 is 8,000 feet, so yeah, and there's already the runway there, so let's do a 360 turn. To lose some height. Other way around. No. This way. First, flaps 1. Or, yeah, flaps 1 indeed. Let's save the flight. Now first. So let's make a 360 turn all the way around. Very beautiful looking sharp ground textures in here. Nice. And also the sunshine. Sunshine. Side, so we come this side, so we here. You can see there the shadow of the airplane on the ground. Very beautiful turn. Look at that, how awesome. Yeah, you can there see the shadow of the airplane on the ground. Very nice. Alright then, so 10,000 feet. Almost 8,000, so let's turn back to track on the runway. Let's do localizer armed, 10,000 landing lights in our on. Let's put the waypoint back in again. Oh wait, oh there he is, glide slow. That was red nav, well, so 215, 8,000, so let's slow down. And start is continuous, signal signs on, camera on, and speed brakes armed, speed check flaps 1. Let's do speed check and flaps 5. Alright, so looking stable, so approach armed. Let's slow down a little bit more to 190. And speed check flaps 10. So 10 hours and 15 minutes in the air. Speed check flaps 20 to fly a little bit more stable with the nose. Alright then, so stable. So let's go here. So speed check here down. And the gear is down. Slow down to 170, and then let's turn on the runway of our landing lights, outer, inner, turn off taxi light, signal signs on, brakes to be armed, speed check, so final landing speed was 151. There, go around height, so speed check flaps to 5. And it was also 80,000, so speed check flaps 30. Stable. So then let's go take one look outside, clear to land. So let's do the feet on the rudder pedals. Start this a little bit more darker. Side there, throttles a little bit back, and then the outer throttle can off, and the outer pilot can go off. So my airplane.
Approaching 2, 1, right.
Check. 2 on right.
Approaching minimums. Minimums.
Continue visual landing.
500.
Cell. Hello? Yeah, reverse green. Decel. So 60, manual braking. So 10 hours and 19 minutes. And let's turn here to the right. So speed brakes retracting, flaps coming in, landing lights off, right turn offs off, strobe off, and start switches to continue with off. And let's go start the APU. So the flight directors can go off. Traffic 1 out, terrain, traffic 1 out, weather, and then ground is 121, decimal 900, there, transponder is standby, auto brakes off, and let's request not a gate or stand because we are going it in mid manually. So let's reset barrel. So then it is now going to Golf 9 indeed. Farther up ahead, so then it's now going to Golf 9. So this is Golf. Oh, there. Wow. Golf 1, 3. That's the first last one, so it's here, Golf 3 then. So Golf 3. Yeah, FPS is stable. Sometimes it looks like not, but it is stable. Yeah, check for now. For RAM 3 Lima. Nice, that sound. So it is here to the left, and there we have Delta 3 Lima. Let's see if the gates are right, so let's slow down. my tail ain't nuts for the turn. So let's go here to the left. Let's turn off the taxi light. Let's go here to the right. Let's see. Yeah, here, Delta 4 right. Let's we cannot stand sideways, only vertical. So let's do then Delta 3. So Delta 3. Stop a little bit farther that the fuel is going away from there, and stop. Parking brakes on. Take my feet off my rudder panels, and there we are then. Let's go to the airplane. Very nice, very sharp looking airplane, and textures by OS simulations. So APU bleed on, APU gen on, and block time clock off, 10 hours 65 minutes, seatbelt signs off, and let's kill those engines. Alright, so let's go into the door page, and then let's request the ground power unit. So we are in Foxtrot Alpha Oscar Romeo gate Delta 3, and let's request the air conditioning unit. Let's also request the stairs entry 1 forward, afterward, go carrier cargo, external power will be gone. Yeah, there it is. Beacon light off, fuel pumps off, packs off, APU bleed off, external power 1 and 2 on, APU itself off, parking brakes off. Now let's set trim back to 6, and let's turn off the autoronics. And there we are then. Yes. Block time was 10 hours and 75 minutes, flight time was 10 hours and 18 minutes, no auto land, we have 19.0 tons of fuel left behind in those engines. Very nice. It says 3000 or not. Yes, 8000. Oh yeah, and then you have to do it then here also. Yes, then it is going to the green. There. Nice. The air pressure, stomach pressure. So, let's see. Very nice. Let's run back. Let's go to the tail. No, wait. Let's go stand here. And let's turn. Also open the side cargo door. Then now, let's reset the transponder to 2000 and turn them off. The autopilot. Let's set that then now for the standard of 200 000 10,000. And stable. And let's see. So how long was the air like here on the ground? Oh, only just for 3-4 hours, so let's leave the nav alignments on. So let's see what the landing was. Now let's turn them off now, because we are leaving the airplane in real life. So 10 hours and 20 minutes flight time and block time of 10 hours and 65 minutes. So what was the landing? Pitch 4 up, bank 0, speed 150, wind speed was 6, wind direction was 19 and G-force was 1.36 of a vertical speed of minus 329, and it was firm. I have no idea what that is, but I think it is pretty hard and concerning, so it is good. I think it is. So I think the cargo door there will be going opening in just a second. Alright, I have to sort of power 2 off. Yes, there we go. Alright, then. So that was it. So if you have a question, leave them down below or email me. You can contact me via the links down below. Support the channel, it's always appreciated and welcome. Leave like and comment and a like behind, because I love to see that you are enjoy this flying. and this livery is by OS Simulation, and you can also on the Discord do an update only with the front of the airplane with the white nose. Let's see. Yeah, so the side cargo door is also connected, so let's unload the payload to 0, and the fuel, we have 11.4 tons still left in those massive tanks. You can see there the airplane is empty indeed now. So with that said, something else? No, for now. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you back tomorrow for the 45,000 fleet to Nairobi. So thank you all for now. Tschüss, bye bye, doei, auf Wiedersehen.